up, Amazon shoppers? I just got a brand new flag in the mail. Now, I know I'm Canadian, but at my camp, we have all kinds of American friends, and we love to let them feel that we are happy and proud to share our space with them in summertime at camp. So we always hang up a Canadian and an American flag. And the one I had was looking pretty tattered, so I ordered this new one, and I'm excited. Now, this is the package right here. You can see the quality, even without even opening the package. I can see the embroidery of the stars. This is no screened on colors. This is actual sewn together, stitched pieces of fabric and high quality embroidery. Let's open up the package and I'll show you how great it is. Now this one here is a 3 by 5 foot flag, and I am really impressed with the quality of this flag. It has really nice grommets all the way along here for hanging, and it has really sturdy canvas edging, double reinforced to make sure that the flag is going to be sturdy and hold up to the wind. Now these are proudly made in the USA, which is appropriate because you wouldn't want to buy one from a different country to show your pride in your own, right? They are waterproof and fade resistant. That's the specific quality of fabric that they've chosen to make this flag. And as I said before, it's not screened. It's actually all stitched. You can see the stitching if I bring it closer, and you can see the quality of the embroidered stars. It's actually super stunning. It's beautiful. The material is UV resistant and is meant to stand up to the kinds of elements that flags get exposed to. I think this is gonna be awesome, but I have to tell you, off the hop, I am super excited by the quality of this. I'm gonna be proud to hang it up to show our American friends that we are happy to share space with them in the summertime at camp. Now, as far as size options go, this one here is the 3 by 5 foot flag, but you can get everything up to an 8 by 12 foot flag and all the way down size-wise to a 1 by 1.5 feet flag. The quality of this is awesome. If you are looking to pick up a flag to show your pride in your country or to support your American friends, this one here I'm super impressed with. High quality, brass grommets, double reinforced stitching, super high quality embroidery, wonderful thick, tear resistant fabric with a high quality dye. I am definitely impressed with this. I can tell that this is going to be a family favorite at our house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.